Hold Ctrl and draw a polygon of 6 sides. Select 3-point curve tool and draw a curve as shown here from center to the top quadrant. Hold Ctrl and rotate from left to right. Press right-click to create a copy. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Delete both the curves. Remove fill. Increase outline thickness to about 0.25 millimeters. Create a copy and decrease width. Select both and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Q to convert outline to object. Change color using Interactive Fill tool. Fill same color to the inner object and reverse it. Use Blend tool and drag from inner object to outer one. Increase the number of steps. Select the inner object and decrease the width. Edit inner object fill as shown here. Break blend group. Ctrl-K to break. Select all and group. Place the pivot point at the center of polygon, hold Ctrl, and rotate to 60 degrees. Press right-click to create a copy and Ctrl-R to repeat. Delete polygon. Select all objects and group. Ctrl-G to group. Hold Shift and decrease size. Hold Ctrl and rotate from left to right. Press right-click to create a copy and Ctrl-R to repeat. Select all these objects and click on Group. Hold this node and place it below as shown here and press right-click to create a copy. Select all objects, hold the node, and place it on the left corner. Press right-click to create a copy and Ctrl-R to repeat. Select all and group. Select Rectangle tool, hold Ctrl, and draw a square. Fill black color to the square and power clip this group inside the square.